Namaskars, warm greetings to Chief Guest of the Day, Mrs. Garima Bhagat, Commissioner Income Tax, Judges, Revered Vivek Pranamataji, Revered Prabha Pranamataji, my other monastic sisters, members of our Managing Committee, Mrs. Sanjay Kaul, Mr. Mukesh Kachru, principals, teachers, coordinators, parents, and the students of the various participating schools, and my wonderful team of teachers at Nivedita Vidya Mandir. A very warm welcome to you all. This is one of the most special days for us because today we are going to announce the result of the virtual multi-talent contest that we conducted to celebrate the golden jubilee of our school, Ramakrishna Sharda Mission Nivedita Vidya Mandir. This is the very first of its kind in the history of our school, where around 5,000 schools were invited to be a part of this grand event, and where school students of all ages from 4 to 18 were given a chance to showcase their talent. What is special about this event is that it is not just a celebration for us, it's been conducted with a broader perspective of promoting national integration and cultural awareness amongst the school children. I am very happy to tell you that the response from the students has been overwhelming. It is heartening to note that not only the students from all big cities participated, but students from the remote villages of Uttarakhand, Jharkhand, Telangana, etc. also sent their entries. My heartiest congratulations to each one of them. Since the contest was organized to celebrate the golden jubilee of the school, I would like to share a few words about our school as well. I, as the principal of the school, feel extremely honored to be heading an institution that we call a school with a difference. It's been 50 long years since the school was established, and this is the only school in Delhi to follow the stream of education that Swami Vivekananda and his Irish disciple, Sister Nivedita, had envisioned. At Nivedita Vidya Mandir, value-based education, sense of discipline, high ethical values, a number of extracurricular activities, and academic excellence lead to the development of children with an integrated personality. That's why we call it holistic learning, because we don't just lay stress on academic excellence, but on imparting life skills to the children, imparting values that would make them good human beings. We believe that there is no point in getting 99% marks and still not have the courage to speak the truth and to follow value system that makes human life worthwhile. We also believe that it's not enough just to prepare children to win and to achieve, but that it is equally important to train them to accept failure as part of life. And when this happens, everything else falls in place, because a happy person with a peaceful mind will always do better in life. The Golden Jubilee is also a time to gratefully acknowledge the contribution of all those who have been associated with the school in the past, especially our founder principal, late Revered Atma Pranamataji, and the pioneering member, Revered Vivek Pranamataji. Also, all past principals, teachers, non-teaching staff, parents, students, friends, and well-wishers. To each one of them, we owe our everlasting gratitude. Coming back to the contest, on behalf of the school and the management, I would like to express our deep gratitude to Mr. Sanjay Kaul, CEO and founder of Sofix Systems, and Mr. Mukesh Kachru, the co-founder, and the entire team of Sofix Systems for extending their complete technical support for this event. Without this support, the contest would have remained just a dream for us. I would also like to thank all the principals, teachers, coordinators, parents, and the students of the various participating schools for making this contest such a great success through their enthusiastic participation. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Pravrajika Gyanprana Mataji. Hello, everyone. This is Samiksha Tusu, your host. I feel privileged to extend my warm welcome to all present today for the result announcement video of National Level Multi-Talent Contest. Now, I would like to invite our esteemed chief guest, who is a gold medalist engineer, lawyer, and an economist. Currently, she is serving as the Commissioner of Income Tax, New Delhi. It's a great honor for me to introduce and welcome Mrs. Garima Bhagat.
Namaskar. I'm delighted to be part of the multi-talent virtual contest which has been organized by the Ramakrishna Sharda Mission, Nivedita Vidya Mandir. The Golden Jubilee celebrations are being carried on in a year which is truly unprecedented because of the COVID-19 pandemic. The entire humanity is facing challenges which it has never faced. Despite this, the human spirit continues to triumph. This we can see because of the huge number of entries which reflect the overwhelming participation in this contest by children from various places. I have gone through some of the entries. The entries are, of course, in thousands, and have found the level of talent which has been displayed by the children to be truly remarkable. My heartiest congratulations to every child who has participated, and a big congratulations to all the winners as well. Children, we must remember that in life, it is always participation which is most important. Winning is secondary. And there is a favorite quotation of mine which summarizes this spirit very well. I'd like to share it with you. If you can't be the highway, then just be a trail. If you can't be the sun, then just be a star. It's not by size that you pass or fail. Just be the best of whatever you are. So continue to develop and hone your talents, continue to excel, continue to live life in full spirits. I wish you a lot of fulfillment in the coming year. Once again, my heartiest congratulations to all the children, their parents and guardians, the organizing team which has done such a wonderful job, and the technical team, Messrs. Sophis Systems, which has really made the whole event remarkable in every way. So, a big congratulations to all and my best wishes for the coming year. Thank you.
Thank you, Garimaji, for your words of encouragement and for inspiring us all. Now, I would like to welcome Mr. Sanjay Kaul, CEO and founder Sofix Systems Private Limited, our technology and event management partner, also one of our judges, to speak on behalf of the jury panel.
Hello, friends. I've been part of many events and contests in the past, but it is fair to say that this has been the most spectacular and a memorable event that we organized over the last few weeks, especially because we saw such great participation from all over India, from hundreds of schools. Contests like these, in my mind, are not necessarily for prize winning or competing too hard, but they bring us together. They build a community. They also bring out the best in us as we try to perform and outperform. So I want to congratulate all the participants and especially the winners for doing an extraordinary job. I want to thank also all the students and their parents for putting in their passion into making this one of the most spectacular events that I have witnessed personally. We had some excellent entries, and it almost became very hard for the judges to really differentiate, and we had to give scores in double decimal places. While schools from all over India participated in this event, But there was an institution that really stood out. As I was looking at all the entries, and this one school did such an extraordinary job. It's Path Seekers from Punjab. They had tens of entries, and each entry was of very high quality. And I'm sure you've seen some of their work. So congratulations to the faculty of Path Seekers, parents, and also the teachers who did such a wonderful job in participating in the event. I was also accompanied by a seasoned panel of judges in judging the event. So let us take a minute and acknowledge their support and the work the judges have done. Once again, thank you so much for participating, and you all have a very happy new year and a great season ahead. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Call. Before we proceed to our winners announcement, let me give you all some insights of the contest. So the total number of entries we received from all over the country is over 2200, and the total number of participating schools is, any guesses? Well, it's over 700. Those are really fantastic numbers. In each category, we have 3 winners. And looking at the enthusiasm and efforts of all our participants, we are giving out consolation prizes as well. In English Declamation Sub-Junior Group, at 3rd place we have Arav Sharma from Bhavan Vidyalaya, Chandigarh.
Spirituality, universal brotherhood, and peace. Swami Vivekananda is the ideal role model for the youth. He motivated the youth to be strong in body, mind, and spirit.
At 2nd place, Deborah Siju from GEMS United Indian School, Abu Dhabi, UAE.
A scholar, but a patriot as well. He played a significant role in growing Indian nationalism by harmonizing it with spiritual philosophy.
At 1st place, we have Somalika Bharti from the Mothers International School, New Delhi.
Accepting everything like a slave? My fellow Indians, do you think that by giving in to your cowardice, human instincts, you will achieve the total collective freedom for yourself?
Consolation prizes in English Declamation Sub-Junior Group. Ananya Agarwal from Amity International School, Gurugram. Arnav Singhal from St. Columba's School, New Delhi. Aaron Emmanuel from St. Columba's School, New Delhi. Parv Sharma from Path Seekers, Amritsar. Karthik Purushottam Sapela from Akshara School, Kakinada. In English Declamation Junior Group, at 3rd place we have Jagrati Chugh from Path Seekers, Amritsar.
Then there will be no basis for violence. You must stand up, be bold, be strong, take the whole responsibility on your own shoulders.
At 2nd place, Ananti Sen from Shri Shiksha Yatan School, Kolkata.
Ability to change the scenario. Swami Vivekananda nearly 100 years ago foresaw this and said, Uttishta, Jagrata, arise and awake.
At 1st place, Prerita Anand from British Co-ed School, High School, Patiala.
Youth icon, Swami Vivekananda has inspired millions and millions of people around the globe because he was an instrumental in the introduction of the key philosophies of Raj Yogas and Karma Yogas.
Consolation prizes in English Declamation Junior Group. Gursimrat Kaur from Path Seekers, Amritsar. Bhavini Khandelwal from Cambridge Courtwall School, Jaipur. Ishan Gandharv from Gyan Mandir Public School, New Delhi. Shivon Maria Woolridge from Adhyapana School, CBSE, Madurai. Naman Mittal from Path Seekers, Amritsar. In English Declamation Senior Group, at 3rd place we have Vanga Parivita Shraddha from St. Anne's High School, Sikandrabad.
Once the Vedic rishis, only you have come in different forms, that's all. I see it clear as daylight that you all have infinite power within you. Out of the past is built the future.
At second place, Candice Sidju from Gems United Indian School, Abu Dhabi, UAE.
Rejuvenated, more glorious than she ever was, this motherland of ours. This quote by Swami Vivekananda captures the essence of his vision for modern India.
At first place, we have Sayantani Dubey from Amity International School, Gurugram.
It was only decades ago that India was still bound by the shackles of British tyranny. Swami Vivekananda was shaken to his core to see his beloved nature growl under unspeakable prejudices and subjugation.
Consolation prizes in English Declamation Senior Group. Prabha Jha from Amity International School, Gurugram. Jaya Jha from Amity International School, Gurugram. Gauravi Joshi from Cambridge Court High School, Jaipur. Kartikeya Sharma from Path Seekers, Amritsar. Kirtika M from Adhyapana School, CBSE, Madurai. In Hindi Declamation Sub-Junior Group, at third place we have Ridham Kashyap from Lady Irwin Senior Secondary School, New Delhi.
जी ने अपने युवाओं को आने वाली परेशानियों से बचाने के लिए अति उत्तम उपाय बताए हैं। सर्वप्रथम उन्होंने अपनी युवा पीढ़ी को अंधविश्वास जैसे कूड़े करकट को मन से बाहर निकालने के लिए कहा।
At second place, Aaron Emmanuel from St. Columba School, New Delhi.
जो मैं चाहता हूँ वह है लोहे की मांसपेशियां और स्टील की नसें, जिसके अंदर एक ही पदार्थ का दिमाग रहता है, जिस पर वज्र बना होता है।
At first place we have Anushka Kumari from Sri Hari Global School, Asansol.
एक नई ऊर्जा दौड़ने लगती है। स्वामी जी का जन्म 12 जनवरी सन 1863 को हुआ। स्वामी जी युवाओं को संदेश देते हुए कहते हैं कि प्रतिवर्ष भारतवर्ष के युवकों को जापान आना चाहिए।
Consolation prizes in Hindi Declamation Sub-Junior Group. Akshat Jain from Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan, Chandigarh. Chayanakshi Gambhir from DLDAV Model School, New Delhi. Supriya Jain from Cambridge Courtwall School, Jaipur. Shriya Gupta from Learning Path School, Mohali. Rugved Paturkar from Bhavans Bhagwan Das Purohit Vidya Mandir, Nagpur. In Hindi Declamation Junior Group, at third place we have Riddhi Kashyap from Greenfield School, New Delhi.
जब तक कि तुम अपना लक्ष्य प्राप्त नहीं कर लेते, आप जैसा सोचेंगे आप वही बन जाएंगे। अगर आप अपने आप को कमजोर सोचेंगे तो आप कमजोर बन जाएंगे। अगर आप अपने आप को शक्तिशाली समझेंगे तो आप शक्तिशाली बन जाएंगे।
At second place, Pragya Thakur from Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan, Chandigarh.
अनंत दिव्य अग्नि की चिंगारियां हो। हर आत्मा मूल रूप में देव स्वरूप है और लक्ष्य इस दिव्यता को जगाना है। हमारे समस्त दुखों कष्टों का मूल कारण यह आत्मविस्मृति ही है।
The winner of this category is Aditi Bhadauria from Sister Nivedita School, Hyderabad.
ध्यान से ही हम अपनी इंद्रियों को संयम में रखकर एकाग्रता प्राप्त करते हैं। मन की एकाग्रता सबसे बड़ा ज्ञान होता है।
Consolation prizes in Hindi Declamation Junior Group. Riyan Makkar from Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan, Chandigarh. Shreyansh Agarwal from St. Columba School, New Delhi. Bhavya Chopra from Learning Path School, Mohali. Jasman Kaur from Jaspal Kaur Public School, New Delhi. Advika Yadav from Alwar Public School, Alwar. In Hindi Declamation Senior Group, at third place we have Tanya Mishra from Springdale Public School, Ludhiana.
जब तक सुरक्षित है तब तक विश्व की कोई भी शक्ति हमारे राष्ट्र का नाश नहीं कर सकती। ऐसा ही कुछ कहा था स्वामी विवेकानंद ने।
At second place, Mridul Bajaj from Path Seekers, Amritsar.
के कलकत्ता शहर में हुआ
जिन्होंने सनातन धर्म के महाकुंज को न केवल भारत में बल्कि शिकागो के महासभा तक पहुंचाकर अपना बहुत बड़ा योगदान दिया। जी हाँ, मैं बात कर रही हूँ स्वामी विवेकानंद जी।
The first prize in this category goes to Yash Chan from ASN Senior Secondary School, New Delhi.
निशाकल्प है, वे भारत के रक्त मजा से साक्षात शरीर रूप है, वे स्वयं ही भारत है। और ऐसे महान स्वामी विवेकानंद जी ने अपने प्राण प्रिय भारत के लिए कई स्वप्न देखे थे।
Consolation prizes in Hindi Declamation Senior Group. Kevin Denny from Adhyapana School, CBSE, Madurai. Kashika Sharma from Alwar Public School, Alwar. Prajna Khanna from Bhai Parmanand Vidya Mandir, New Delhi. Neeraj Kumar from Bharti Public School, New Delhi. Adesh Kumari from Path Seekers, Amritsar. Congratulations to all the winners. Now, before we move any further, there is something special I would like to share. For the first time, at national level, such a contest has been seamlessly conducted online. Especially in times of COVID, conduction and management of the contest was a challenge. Here's when a Gurgaon-based company, Sofix Systems, came into the picture. Sofix Systems with Nivedita Vidya Mandir made it all possible. In addition to providing technological support, Sofix is also responsible for the end-to-end management of graphics, videography, entries and their showcase on the website, the complete judging process, and today's result announcement event. Sofix Systems provides digital solutions to schools. So it was the collective effort of the Sofix team that showed no matter how difficult the situation is, nothing is unachievable. In poster making sub-junior group, at third place we have Rithania K from PSBB Millennium School, Coimbatore. At second place, Bithi Mandal from VN Bengali Senior Secondary School, New Delhi. The winner of this category is Mohar Ghosh from Kendriya Vidyalaya No. 2, Port Blair. Consolation prizes in poster making sub-junior group. Jashit Mathur from Lakshman Public School, New Delhi. Bada Thala Priyanka Kumari from Sister Nivedita School, Hyderabad. Akshat Bhardwaj from Air Force Golden Jubilee, New Delhi. Swachh Toya Biswas from Shri Shiksha Yatan School, West Bengal. Chrisley Live Truck Pump from Air Force Golden Jubilee, New Delhi. Now to our next category, poster making junior group. At third place we have Maunika Abulari from Sister Nivedita School, Hyderabad. At second place, Dhruv Malik from Greenfield School, New Delhi. The first prize in this category goes to Aditi Kumari from MM Public School, Gurugram. Consolation prizes in poster making junior group. Utkarsh Pandey from Delhi Public School, Singrauli. Aryan Singhal from National Public School, Bangalore. Argdeep Saha from Bishalgarh English Medium Higher Secondary School, Sipahijala. Satyam Nayak from VN Bengali Senior Secondary School, New Delhi. Brishti Mandal from VN Bengali Senior Secondary School, New Delhi. In poster making senior group, at third place we have Kritika Burman from Vivekanand Kendriya Vidyalaya, Itanagar. At second place we have Vishwatej Donkeshwar from Harvard Public School, Hyderabad. As per the grading given by the judges, the first prize goes to Ankita Biswas of Ramakrishna Sharda Mission Sister Nivedita Girls School, Kolkata. But since she's a student of a school owned by one of our branch centers, as a matter of courtesy, we are passing on the prize to the next winner, Nirmay Panchala of Sister Nivedita School, Hyderabad. Consolation prizes in poster making senior group. Amrita Lakhanpal from Sister Nivedita School, Hyderabad. Jyoti Das from Lady Irwin Senior Secondary School, New Delhi. Jasnoor Kaur Sethi from Jaspal Kaur Public School, New Delhi. Adrita Mukherjee from Ramakrishna Sharda Mission Sister Nivedita Girls School, Kolkata. Gayatri S from Adhyapana School, CBSE, Madurai. In Fancy Dress Tiny Tots Junior Group, at third place we have Mahira Datta Bose from Raghuveer Singh Junior Modern School, Barakhamba Road, New Delhi.
I cannot fly that high, but I love to dance, especially in the rain. And when I'm happy, I say, pew, pew, pew.
At second place, Samaksh Chandel from Lotus Valley International School, Noida. The winner in this category is Inayat Wadhwa from Path Seekers, Amritsar.
I got my tummy to and fro. I can't fly, but I love to swim. So I waddle in the water and I'm right in.
Consolation prizes in Fancy Dress Tiny Tots Junior Group. Ishnoor Singh from Path Seekers, Amritsar. Prisha Kapoor from Lotus Valley International School, Noida. Utkrish Dhyani from Ramjas Public School, Day Boarding, New Delhi. Lakshya Vanjari from Bhavans Bhagwan Das Purohit Vidya Mandir, Nagpur. Ruhani Sharma from Alwar Public School, Alwar. Our next category is Fancy Dress Tiny Tots Senior Group. At third place we have Rishika Gupta from Gyan Mandir Public School, New Delhi. At second place, Ronisha Bajaj from Lotus Valley International School, Noida.
I had sharp squills on my back. When essence danger distance on the run, but they don't really harm my friends. I eat all leaves, fruits, twigs and bark.
And the first prize goes to Gurleen Kaur from Path Seekers, Amritsar.
Yes, you're right. I'm an elephant. I'm grey in color. My teeth are very sharp and white in color. I have a long trunk.
Consolation prizes in Fancy Dress Tiny Tots Senior Group. Alia Sahdev from Learning Path School, Mohali. Somanch Bharti from the Mothers International School, New Delhi. Amaira Thaplial from Amity International School, Gurugram. Pushkar Dwivedi from Ramjas Public School, Day Boarding, New Delhi. Hassan Cyrus S from Adhyapana School, CBSE, Madurai. In solo song sub-junior group at third place, we have Sudhiti Ambale from Purna Prajana Public School, New Delhi. At second place, Mrigak Shekhar Mavudru from Bhavan Vidyalaya Junior Wing, Chandigarh. At first place, we have Vaibhav Saha from Ramakrishna Mission Vidyalaya, West Tripura. Consolation prizes in solo song sub-junior group. Sapandan Barui from Indus Valley World School, Kolkata. Aishani Paul from Indus Valley World School, Kolkata. Arushi Patil from Indus Valley World School, Kolkata. Gur Pratap Singh from Learning Path School, Mohali. Atmoja Chakraborty from Sri Shiksha Yatan School, Kolkata. In solo song junior group at third place we have Tarun Pal from Path Seekers, Amritsar. At second place, Alap Chatterjee from Sri Hari Global School, Asansol. The winner in this category is Rituparna Chakraborty from Jindal Public School, Dwarka, New Delhi.
धरा पुकारती देश है पुकारता पुकारती माँ भारती देश है पुकारता पुकारती माँ भारती.
Consolation prizes in solo song junior group. Sahana Kaushik from National Public School, Bengaluru. Brinda Bhattacharjee from Amity International School, Gurugram. Amrita from Path Seekers, Amritsar. Kanishka Abhilash from National Public School, Bengaluru. Ishmeet Singh from Springdale Public School, Ludhiana. In solo song senior group at third place, we have Arushi Chaudhary from National Public School, Bengaluru. At second place, Parna Chattopadhyay from Sri Shiksha Yatan School, Kolkata. As per the grading given by the judges, the first prize goes to Ahiri Roy of Ramakrishna Sharda Mission Sister Nivedita Girls School, Kolkata.
जय जय जग जननी देवी.
But since she's a student of a school owned by one of our branch centers, as a matter of courtesy, we are passing on the prize to the next winner, Harmanpreet Kaur of Path Seekers School, Amritsar.
प्यारा हिंदुस्तान जगमग चांद सितारे जिसका जगमग चांद सितारे जिसका गाते हैं गुणगान हो आ.
Consolation prizes in solo song senior group. Manisha Das from VN Bengali Senior Secondary School, New Delhi. Neeraj from Path Seekers, Amritsar. Mathushri P from Adhyapana School, Madurai. Gurleen Kaur from Springdale Public School, Ludhiana. Tamagna Mohante from St. Xavier's High School, Gurugram. In mono acting sub-junior group at third place we have Arman Bagga from Path Seekers, Amritsar.
Oh, come, sit here. What is your problem? Oh, you look unwell. Yes, doctor. Open your mouth. Oh, so many cavities in your teeth.
At second place, Shloka Tuvuri from National Public School, Bengaluru.
Every drop of my blood will contribute to the growth of the nation and make it strong. Garibi Hatao. I'm Indira Gandhi. I'm the first woman Prime Minister of India.
The winner in this category is Harshit Mahajan from Bhavans Bhagwan Das Purohit Vidya Mandir, Nagpur.
बेटा, मृत, ब्रेन डेड या जीवित व्यक्ति के अवयव किसी जरूरतमंद व्यक्ति को दान करना अंगदान या ऑर्गन डोनेशन कहलाता है।
Consolation prizes in mono acting sub junior group. Ayan Ali from Life Center Academy, Delhi. Vaibhav Saha from RK Mission Vidyalaya, West Tripura. Gaurang Sharma from GD Goenka Public School, New Delhi. Unnati Arora from Gargi Girls School, Meerut. Shagun Anand from British Co-ed School, Patiala. In mono acting junior group, at third place we have Ragini Agarwal from DLDAV Model School, New Delhi.
नहीं नहीं, मैं तो बस 7 दिन के लिए आई हूँ। वो क्या है ना, बेटा घर की शिफ्टिंग में लगा हुआ है, तो घर पे मेरा ध्यान रखने के लिए कोई नहीं था। सालों से हूँ यहाँ, मेरी आंखों ने सब कुछ देख लिया।
At second place, Syed Atif Jamal from St. Columba School, New Delhi.
इट्स ओके पापा, मुझे कॉलेज के लिए पहले ही बहुत देर हो चुकी है। और हाँ, रात को खाने पर मेरा इंतजार मत कीजिएगा, मुझे घर आते आते देर हो जाएगी, क्योंकि मेरा दोस्त है ना प्रकाश, आज उसका जन्मदिन है।
The winner in this category is Jagriti Chuk from Path Seekers, Amritsar.
होता है, लेकिन क्या कभी आपने किसी भक्त को भगवान को मारते हुए देखा है? नहीं देखा ना, मैंने देखा। चाहे गलती किसी की भी हो, लेकिन अगर पेशेंट मर गया तो गलती डॉक्टर की।
Consolation prizes in mono acting junior group. Karpaga Lakshmi M from Adhyapana School, CBSE, Madurai. Lavanya Thakur from DLDAV Model School, New Delhi. Kaustubh Sharma from GD Goenka Public School, New Delhi. Ayush Kumar Rai from Sri Hari Global School, Asansol. Akshita Kaushik from Lady Irwin Senior Secondary School, New Delhi. In mono acting senior group, at third place we have Manu Kaushik from Greenfield School, New Delhi.
आपको भी दिवाली की बहुत शुभकामनाएं। हाँ बस भाग्यवान थोड़ा मिठाई लगा रही हैं, खाएंगे फिर हम। जी पिताजी, पूजा होगी, चलिए करता हूँ मैं इस बार। दिवाली की आपको शुभकामनाएं।
At second place, Raghav Tharane from Path Seekers, Amritsar.
अच्छा माँ जी, थोड़ी सी खर्ची चाहिए थी। वो इनका बर्थडे आ रहा है ना, तो एक गाड़ी खरीदनी थी इनके लिए।
The winner in this category is Akshay Chandrasekhar from Adhyapana School, CBSE, Madurai.
And they expect the maid servant to do all this. If they don't throw it in the dustbin, why should I? I will throw it from the balcony.
Consolation prizes in mono acting senior group. C. Kavya Sanjeev from Lakshman Public School, New Delhi. Satpreet Singh Chauhan from Path Seekers, Amritsar. Prajna Khanna from Bhai Parmanand Vidya Mandir, New Delhi. Akshita Giri from DLDAV Model School, New Delhi. Janet Kaur Chadda from GD Goenka Public School, New Delhi. In solo dance sub junior group at third place, we have Shelja Kapri from Learning Path School, Mohali. At second place, Ira Singhal from National Public School, Bengaluru. As per the grading given by the judges, the first prize goes to Arkapriya Banerjee of Ramakrishna Sharda Mission Sister Nivedita Girls School, Kolkata. But since she is a student of a school owned by one of our branch centers, as a matter of courtesy, we are passing on the prize to the next winner, Prisha Moitra of Indus Valley School, Kolkata. Consolation prizes of solo song sub-junior group. Anuparna Ghosh from Shri Shiksha Yatan School, Kolkata. Taskeen Kaur from Amity International School, Gurugram. Aditi Thakur from Army Public School, Delhi Cant. Rupali Srivastava from Lady Irwin Senior Secondary School, New Delhi. Vidushi Mishra from Shri Shiksha Yatan School, Kolkata. In solo dance junior group, at third place we have Prakati from Path Seekers, Amritsar.
अब आओ मेरे पास रह जाओ मेरे साथ प्रेमरिया मौसम छे हो गई रात अब भलो बदीवार प्रेमरिया मौसम छे.
At second place, Tanzeel Khanna from GD Goenka Public School, New Delhi. The winner in this category is Sanvi Thakur from National Public School, Bengaluru. Consolation prizes in solo dance junior group. Gursimrat Kaur from Path Seekers, Amritsar. Priyanshi Kurra from Amrita Vidyalayam, Saket, New Delhi. Payal Mehra from New Inspiration Public School, Village Mart, Almora. Kaustubh Sharma from GD Goenka Public School, New Delhi. Vanchika Thakkar from Shaheed Rajpal DAV Public School. In our final category, that is solo dance senior group, at third place we have Riddhi Sharma from Lady Irwin Senior Secondary School, New Delhi. At second place, Gursevak Singh from Springdales Public School, Ludhiana. And the first prize goes to Bandaru VPL Ishwara from Akshara School, Kakinada. Consolation prizes in solo dance senior group. Parneet Kaur from Path Seekers, Amritsar. Rayana Singh from Modern Public School, New Delhi. Kanak Sabu from Bharti Public School, New Delhi. Nancy Gupta from Alwar Public School, Alwar. Avani Kolar from Ramana Maharishi Center for Learning, Bengaluru. Congratulations to all the participants and winners. In the end, I would like to thank the chief guest, Mrs. Garima Bhagat, all the judges, principals, teachers, our technology and event management partners, Sofix Systems, parents and students of all the participating schools. If it wasn't for all of them, such an event would only seem like a far-fetched dream. Thank you.